My name is Shan. I'm a third-year student at the University of Adelaide, studying business management, and I'm currently doing social media marketing at Outcome.Life. Through this internship, I realized my passion is in marketing and sales. So after I graduated from uni, I may pursue a job in this field. Before I started my internship, I thought it would be like someone give me a job and I complete the job. But this intern opportunity gave me a lot of space to be creative, not just like a robot to finish the job and continue the other job. The best way of study is to experience in a real business environment. It's very different at school. So by take this chance, you can put everything you learn from uni to put in a real case. I like Outcome.Life. Firstly, it is a very friendly team. Everyone is super supportive. And my supervisor, you're very supportive. You also give me the opportunity to meet other team members in Outcome.Life to keep me socially connected with others. I would recommend Outcome.Life to every international student. This is your first step of your Australia workplace. So don't miss out. Take the opportunity and have fun.